watching these silent moments of the jungle, you might feel like nothing is there. Just trees, shadows, and stillness. But the truth is, you are not alone. Because somewhere in this silence, something is watching, not making a sound, not revealing itself, just waiting. This is the story of the leopard, the ghost of the trees. Leopards are one of the most mysterious and adaptable big cats in the world. They are found across Africa, the parts of the Middle East, and Asia, including India and Southeast Asia. Unlike many other big cats, leopards can live almost anywhere. Dense jungles, open savannas, rocky mountains, even near human settlements. They do not depend on one type of environment. They adapt, and that is what makes them so dangerous. At first glance, a leopard may not seem as powerful as a lion or as large as a tiger, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in skill. Its body is built for stealth and strength combined, muscular, flexible, and perfectly balanced. Its golden coat, covered in dark rosettes, is not just beautiful, it is camouflage. In the jungle light, these patterns break its shape, making it disappear into the background. You could be looking straight at a leopard and never see it. This is its greatest weapon: invisibility. Leopards are solitary animals. They do not live in groups. They do not depend on others. They walk alone, hunt alone, and survive alone. A leopard's territory can be large, and it marks it with scent, scratches, and silent patrols. Every movement it makes is careful. Every step, silo, because the leopard is not built for long chases. It is built for surprise. Most of its hunting happens at night, when darkness covers the land and visibility drops. The leopard becomes even more powerful. Its eyes are adapted for low light. Its hearing is sharp. Its senses are always alert. It moves through the jungle like a shadow. No sound, no warning. It chooses its target carefully. Deer, monkeys, wild pigs, even smaller predators. Nothing is completely safe. The leopard gets closer, slowly, silently, using cover, using darkness. Every step is controlled, every movement precise. And then, when the distance is right, it attacks. A sudden burst of speed, a powerful leap. It grabs its prey, bringing it down with strength and precision. The bite is fast, targeting the neck, ending the struggle quickly. But what happens next is what truly makes the leopard unique. Unlike other big cats, the leopard does not eat its prey on the ground. It drags it, sometimes heavier than its own body, up into a tree. This requires incredible strength, but it does this for a reason: to protect its food. On the ground, hyenas, lion, and other predators can steal the kill, but in the trees, the leopard is safe. There, high above the ground, it eats in peace. This ability to climb, to carry, to disappear is what makes the leopard one of the most successful predators in the wild. But the leopard's life is not always about hunting. Much of its time is spent resting, lying on tree branches, blending into the leaves, watching the world below. It conserves energy because every hunt requires focus. A female leopard's life is even more challenging because she must raise her young alone. When it is time, she finds a hidden place, a den safe from danger. There, she gives birth to her cubs, usually 2 to 3. They are born blind, small, and completely helpless. For the first few weeks, they depend entirely on their mother. She protects them, moves them from one hiding place to another to keep them safe from predators, because danger is everywhere. Lions, hyenas, even other leopards. As the cubs grow, they begin to explore. They play, they chase each other, they learn. But this play is training. They are learning how to hunt, how to move silently, how to climb, how to survive. Their mother teaches them everything. She shows them how to stalk, how to wait, how to attack. At first, they only watch. Then, they follow. And slowly, they try on their own. Many times, they fail. But every failure makes them better. Until one day, they succeed. As they grow older, they leave their mother. Each one goes on to find its own territory, its own life. Alone, a leopard can live around 12 to 17 years in the wild. In that time, it becomes a master of survival, not by being the strongest, not by being the fastest, but by being the smartest, the most adaptable, the most invisible. But today, even the leopard faces challenges. Its habitats are shrinking, forests are disappearing, human activity is increasing, and leopards are being pushed closer to people. Sometimes this leads to conflict, but despite this, leopards continue to survive. They adjust, they adapt, they find ways to live, even in changing environments. This is what makes them different. They are not just predators, they are survivors. So the next time you look at a forest or a quiet landscape, you remember this. You might not see it, you might not hear it, but it could be there, watching, waiting, perfectly hidden, a shadow in the trees, a silent hunter, the ghost of the wild. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories, and drop a comment telling me which animal you want to see next. I'll see you in the next story.